Powered by cutting-edge drone and LIDAR technologies, global GIS delivers high-precision geospatial solutions, transforming data into actionable insight. Data acquisition was performed using the DJI Matrix 350 RTK, offering centimeter-level accuracy, extended endurance, and seamless integration with advanced mapping payloads. A dense point cloud has been generated, capturing precise 3D coordinates of surface features for detailed analysis and modeling. This dataset enables surface reconstruction, volume estimation, and seamless integration into design workflows. The raw point cloud is then filtered to remove surface artifacts and non-ground features, resulting in a clean dataset optimized for terrain modeling and elevation analysis. The point cloud is transformed into a tin mesh, filling gaps to create a continuous surface for accurate terrain and volume analysis. Contour lines are extracted from the mesh to represent elevation changes, supporting topographic profiling and gradient analysis. Using the surface model, volumetric analysis is performed to estimate solid waste accumulation, supporting quantification for planning and remediation. Powered by drone and LIDAR technology, global GIS delivers end-to-end geospatial solutions, enabling terrain modeling, infrastructure design, survey-grade engineering, environmental analysis, and precise waste volume estimation. Precision drone surveying, trusted by professionals across sectors, global GIS survey smart, build smarter.